What up, YouTube? We are doing a bunch of exploring today. We got a bunch of work done yesterday, and it's Friday. Tomorrow we're getting ready because we're leaving for the West End to do a bunch of snorkeling. And check out where we are today. This is the third spot we hit. Good morning, YouTube. We're unpacking the Highlander, and then I think we're gonna run and pick up El Blanco. Okay, Real Babes is moving Thunder. I'm gonna load some gear up, and then we're going to get El Blanco.
No, sir, come on.
Who's that, Choco?
Choco.
Choco, get out. Real Babes is going to move the battery charger. And I think we're gonna hit some waterfalls because Susie's got a bad eyeball.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. So we're not gonna snorkel, we're gonna hit some waterfalls.
Just hanging out at the community hub.
I'm not getting close to the sick people.
Oh, this is the best match there is. Well, I have to work today.
Oh.
But at least I rested.
And they have spots over in the States.
Let's see what it looks like. It's looking pretty good. It's the same as it has been. Okay, we are blowing out for Aguada on Sunday. Saturday is going to be the big pack finish up stuff. So we're going to try to play around a little bit today. We do have to deal with El Blanco, but that's not going to take very long at all. We are making a pit stop at the herbal remedy store to check out what's up with Susie's card. Okay, we are set. It's a 2-hour processing, same as last time. So we are gonna go to finish our errands. We're taking Susie to the pharmacia to try to figure something out for her eyeball. We are pulling into the pharmacy, and Real Babes and Susie Q are gonna run in and get some eyeball medicine. So how was that? Success?
It's going right in my eyeballs now.
Okay, okay.
Of whatever he sells.
And here comes the rain.
If you can do like and it works for you, you know.
It looks like we actually might be driving out of the rain, which would be awesome. Here we are at KN Automotive to pick up El Blanco. And of course, it is raining on us again. Idea. Okay. Now we're gonna go see if Marco is there. El Blanco is dropped off, and we are going to be picking El Blanco up in realistically about a week. Even though it's raining, we are still gonna head up into the mountains. Yay! Susie Q hasn't been here yet.
Exactly.
Getting on the 10. I don't know if you've been up. I don't think we've taken you up the 10 at all yet. It's,
we're gonna find out.
oh my goodness. It's like out of Avatar. It's one of the prettiest drives. It's by far like one of my all-time favorite roads here in Puerto Rico. It's so impressive. It is actually looking sunny and dry up in the mountains. So we might get lucky.
Positive thoughts, Wally.
Positive thoughts. The past 3 times, we have not been able to get to the waterfalls because it was flooding so bad.
Okay, well, think positive.
That worked yesterday.
Energy, man. You gotta have that positive energy.
I think you're the one that's making the positive stuff happen.
I'm trying to rub off on you.
I need it. Thank you, please. Okay, Susie, I'm gonna get into the right-hand lane and look at the river when we go over this bridge. We're gonna try to see what the water looks like. If it's muddy, if it's... Oh, I couldn't really see.
I couldn't really see it either.
Okay, I saw a little bit and it looked muddy, but not like peanut butter. It just looked like light.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting sunnier. And I think we're gonna grab something to eat in Utuado. Got a canned coffee. I need it. It's like Jurassic Park and Avatar.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
It's beautiful. It's my
It is sunny and dry, Susie. I think your positive thinking is working. Oh yeah, that's Cañon Blanco. They're still doing massive road work on the 10. Oh, you can see a little bit of the waterfall over there, Susie, to the right. It's
Oh, yeah.
tiny. And then there's one right there, too. Here is our turn, and I think Susie Q is really going to like it. This road is pretty awesome.
It starts off with a cemetery. I like it.
Okay, it's a pretty big cemetery.
It's pretty.
And they've been working down here. Utuado puts so much back into their infrastructure. See the cranes and the steel girder bridge there? They're getting ready to put the bridge back across the river that got washed out. I believe it was Maria. So you used to be able to come down here, go forward, and go right across the river. But the bridge was washed out, and they're putting a new one in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I immediately put that in my eyes.
Your eyes are feeling better already?
Now they are. Yes, I'm feeling
Good.
better. Still question my vision.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. Clear, muddy. Oh, it's looking good.
I think it's clear.
Yeah, it looks real good. Oh, it's super clear. I think it's going to be a good day. Here's the first cart.
Oh, it looks so good.
Y'all want to hit this one first?
Yes.
Okay.
Nobody's here. It's perfect.
We are here. Yeah, it's huge. It's invasive here. The bamboo.
I know I gotta
Okay, we're gonna change and get ready to hit some water. I'm gonna put some water shoes on And I've got my favorite sunglasses on. These are the ones that Jennifer and Harry gave me.
Oh, I love those.
I do too. I think they're okay. And you need a booby hack.
Please.
Okay. This is actually the first time that we have swam in this pool, only because it's the first one on the road and it's usually super, super packed and busy. Plunge with me. It's pretty deep. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Yeah. Yeah, that's the first plunge is the hardest. Are you gonna do it?
Okay.
Whew. Whew. Yeah, I'm not making ya. Whew. Whew. Okay. Okay. Oh.
How was that? Not
Oh.
too bad. Not too bad.
No, well, it's best just to get it over with. Look at all the orchids and bromeliads all over the trees up here. There's a good orchid there.
Refreshing for sure.
Who's gonna swing?
I'm assessing the situation.
Here, stand up there.
I know, but I gotta get there. I gotta climb through like grass. What were those?
Fish? I don't know. You can go up on the bank there, I think.
Careful, it's slippery. Careful, I'm accident prone.
Oh, good choice on the water shoes. Go team, go.
I forgot my zip tie.
Oh,
Oh my god. Got this.
you got it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. It's not very deep right there.
No. We are going to go check out another pool a little further upstream.
You hear that?
No. Oh, it's a plane. Here is the second pool. Let's go hit it.
This is sketchy. You guys be careful. Make sure you step on a straw. Because the mud. Oh, I'm starting to see the stairs now. Made it. I think this might make my hair soft. Hopefully.
There's the pool we were just at. The next one we're going to is actually my favorite.
Don't mind me.
We are going to head to another pool a little bit further upstream. Okay, we're headed to the next one. Right down here.
Okay. All right. This.
Yeah, this one's pretty awesome.
How did you do another step down?
Yeah, and then just kind of like jump. It doesn't feel nearly as cold the second time around.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It's cold though.
It's a little chilly, but refreshing.
Oh, it feels
Very
awesome.
refreshing. Roots.
I might do another plunge.
I think you should.
What do you think of this spot?
Let's go under.
Okay, I'll do it.
I don't really think I have a choice.
You ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh! River shrimp. You scared them when you stepped those rocks and they darted out. I felt them hitting my ankles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Scary.
Explain the booty hack for YouTube. Tie the strap here and it takes the strain off your neck.
Redistributes the weight.
We were getting changed out. We're gonna go grub. How was it?
Oh, awesome.
Good.
Just what the doctor ordered.
We are about to go eat, but Real Babes has lost her shirt. Okay, we are now looking for Real Babe's shirt. Okay, this is where
Then we walk down here.
Yeah, to go down to the edge of the water. That's a
okay.
spot that I would probably take. Or no, not right here. We didn't go right here, did we?
Yeah, this is where we first went.
Oh. Man. That's my shirt.
And this is where we lose audio. I just put a new battery in, and I think it might be a bad battery, but I don't know. Hey, baby, where did you find your shirt? It was in the car. Oh, yeah. Susie and I said it was in the car. And you were like, no, it's not. We were like, but we didn't see you go down to the water with it. And you're like, it's where I left it by the river. And we were like, but we found it in the car. You're like, I don't know how that happened. That's so weird. No sound again. That's cool. I'll do a voiceover. Here we come around the corner, and there's the first schoolhouse in Utuado, Puerto Rico. And I'm sharing this information because I like to do stuff like that. And Susie's like, oh my goodness, I'm so impressed. She's like, the waterfalls are cool, but this is pretty lame. And then we kept cruising, and we came upon these flowers, which we see all the time. And we were like, what are those flowers? Like, what are they? And then we're asking, we're like, hey, YouTube, does anybody know what these flowers are? These ones, oh, look, it looks like there's more. It's like propagating new plants out of the blooms. I've never seen anything like that. It's crazy. I think it's red. Real Babes is now going to steal some. We're like, yeah, go criminal, go, go, go. Yeah, jump in, slam the door. Come on, roll up onto the next block. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, more plants, more plants, more plants. That's what we're doing. We're just running around the forest here. We're grabbing plants. We're showing them off. So, oh my God, look at those plants. We don't have those in Washington State. This is so awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Real Babes is like, look at how cool they are. That's the river we were in is actually a tributary of that.
Oh, this is where the Campagado is.
Yeah, the first Campagado we went to was there. That was the first rally point. We're heading into the town of Utuado. The bridge was shut down last time we were up here, and we had to go all the way around. So I'm hoping they got the bridge back open and operational. We're getting close, and I'm hungry. Y'all hungry?
Yes.
Wow, Real Babes. I really hope the bridge isn't out. Oh my goodness, it is. Oh, it is. Now we're going to have to veer to the left, and we're going to parallel the river. We're going to cross the river again, and then we're going to parallel it. And then we're going to hang a right, and we're going to stroll right into downtown Utuado. The bridge we're going over, look upstream. There's usually a bunch of horses waiting and grazing. I'm not seeing any, but we'll see a bunch of horses on the way back. Okay, we're heading back into Utuado. Susie Q's repping the Swamp Fox shirt, the heavily modified version. Here we go, crossing the river again. And then we are in Utuado, or downtown Utuado. We're pretty close to the plaza. This is your first time here in Utuado, right?
I think so.
But I can't remember, and the GoPro audio went out, so this is Wally saying, but you know, it kind of looks familiar. There is Errands, and we have parking.
I'll follow up you. Put my shoes on.
Oh. Yeah, we'll show you the plaza. We'll take a little spin around town after we eat.
Yeah. Yeah, there's plenty of good places in Charleston.
This place is awesome. I love it. It's one of my favorite restaurants. I love it.
Keys.
You all ready to order?
Chicken.
Chicken,
Yeah.
perfect.
And tacos.
Tacos, chicken or fish?
Chicken.
Chicken, perfect. I got you.
Okay, we started with some ham croquetas and some fried cheese with a guava sauce. And that is like a cilantro aioli for the croquetas. And the fried cheese with the guava sauce is so good. So good.
It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Hey.
Hola.
How's it going, guys?
Good. How y'all doing?
We're off to a wonderful start.
Not having those yesterday.
¿Cómo está, papá? ¿Todo bien?
Club.
Comedy drag show here?
Yeah,
Where?
right there in Club Zero.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
We
gonna
bought,
be
we
good.
bought tickets.
Okay.
Sure be a lot.
You look excited. You're like, we bought tickets.
She's more excited than I am.
I can
I
imagine.
want to see what kind of comedy it is.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm on camera, so I'm gonna watch out with it.
I think it'd be a really good lead for you. That's all.
Okay,
I think it'd be a really, really good lead for you guys,
Say it
especially for
again.
that little place.
Las tres pueden ser hermanas porque se parecen las tres.
Las tres rubias, the three blondes.
See?
Three blondes.
Hey, Wally, cógeme. Many famous.
Oh, Wiggles is still with us.
He's taking medication twice a day for the anti-inflammatory for the swelling. Oh no!
And they were playing in the ditch before the rain came.
So how many
Oh
cats
no!
do you
How many
have
cats
now?
do you have now?
Y me dijo eso, dile.
There's 3 plus the kittens.
That's so boring.
But I say that I don't own those cats.
Yeah.
Just
Just like we don't
kidding.
own Neighbor Dog
But
or
I-
Little Buddy
yeah, but I
or
think
even
that-
Casa.
Yeah, that's same. Yeah, same type thing.
Yeah. One of them I kind of claim.
Pero yo estoy
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, if you want, do you want them to like?
Well, I bought a cat litter box.
Oh,
I bought a cat
you
litter
made
box.
moves.
So they're coming
It's
inside.
official now.
These are inside cats.
Well, we'll
You're
see.
not just feeding.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Wow.
we're not cat people.
Okay.
So,
You own a litter box though.
yeah.
You want a litter box?
Yeah.
That's like saying you're vegan, but you enjoy steak. You know.
I'm in denial.
Para matar cosas.
The canal de YouTube.
Okay, thank you.
777.
It's a little horse. Pony.
Well, we have the email address of that guy in
Something if they're not fresh.
I crushed that churrasco. Oh my goodness.
That is X-rays, right?
How's your pasta?
So good. I'm about halfway through it and it's amazing.
They're open from 7
Tacos?
Fantastic. They look good. The way the chicken was fried, that was simple. It's always well simple and then
Maybe next time we hang out, it'll be a little different.
Good seeing you for dinner.
this looks
We have made it back to Arecibo.
you know, the issues coming from
That's a wrap. I am sitting here at the house, real babes, and Susie went to grab some breakfast, and I'm trying to get us ready to leave to do our next snorkeling adventure. We're leaving tomorrow. Hope y'all like the video. Love y'all, and we will see y'all in just a few minutes as soon as I turn the GoPro on.